got dragons on it.
3 dragons on it.
Careful.
This one, it has only 2 legs and 2 wings that I can use to walk. This one is a red dragon, and this one is a green dragon with a helmet on him, on his head.
Guess he's got a shield on his head. That's cool. Okay.
And his back of it, metal armor on his back.
Okay.
And here's this one. Can open it like a hatch
Okay.
to put anything inside.
Got it.
And I each put it at this.
That's the inside.
I always had to put 4 of them.
There you go. Now I can see on the inside. It's hollow.
I always had to
Very
put
nice.
things in there.
That's cool. Let's look in there. Let's look and see what's in there. Sit down. Whoa. Yeah, I think it's too dark. Just can't see it in there.
And now put it, taken off at the top ones.
Okay.
These ones I allow it to put it together so it can stand.
Okay. Each of it at 4 sides?
To make sure they can stay together. Always try to do that.
Okay.
If I don't put it, those ones to hold it at 4
Okay.
sides, they might fall off. Fall down.
Okay.
One moment. Not easy if it looks.
Not as easy as it looks.
Takes a minute.
There you go.
Now to the other side. And now, taking off.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Now I made a new one.
Mm-hmm.
One moment. Cool things. I have to push it back together.
Do you want me to hold that?
Hold that for a moment. Oops. You can hold that on a little up.
Got it?
And now, there, hold it for a moment.
It's gonna stay.
Like that will stay. And now,
That one came off.
because I holded it to.
I held it.
Because I held it to get it
There
off
we go.
easy.
Wow. This is cool. This is like totally cool.
There, you can stand.
So cool. Okay, so now you're gonna have to turn this. So turn.
Turn it one moment.
Yep. Go. Chest. This is so cool. No.
I
There,
thought
there.
about with 8 creatures from Lego Chima, and I have 3 of Lego Ninjago of the snakes, only 1 snake left, the Hypnobrine, and 1 fang blade. And I put away those ones.
Keep turning it.
High enough.
You keep. Just focus on this. What is that two-headed ugly thing?
It's a snake.
Oh.
Two-headed snake.
That is cool. All right. Good job, Nikita.
Back to Earth. With 4 elements. Earth, fire, ice, lightning.
Very
and I always
nice.
had to collect the ones I'm adding for my collection with the rare ones.
Got it. Okay.
And done.